شكرا يا ربي شكرا هديت قلبي شكرا.
You know, there's a funny story. Back in Lebanon this happened. My father told me this story. He says in Jama'ah like this masjid, a group of Jama'ah came along. They were praying Isha prayer. The Imam prayed, and after he finished, a group of people said, "Ya Imam, we think that you only prayed 3 rak'ahs." Another group said, No, we think he prayed 4. Correct. Everybody's disputing, and then suddenly they saw a man sitting aside, not saying anything. They asked him, "Why aren't you saying anything? It looks like, why don't you come in and talk?" He looks at them very wisely, as if he knows everything. And confidently he says, "He's prayed 4. They said, "Why are you so confident?" He said, "He prayed 4. I am definite, wallahi, he prayed 4. They asked him, "How do you know?" He said, "You see, I run 4 shops. And in Salat, in the first rak'ah, I've calculated the earnings for the first shop, second rak'ah, second shop, third rak'ah, third shop, and fourth rak'ah, fourth shop. My calculations are correct. I've got no other problems. That means we've prayed 4. It's funny, but you know what? It happens all the time. This man is calculating his earnings by which he calculated his raka'at of the salat. So the world is twisted the other way around. When Allah gives us too much, we forget our Lord even in our salat. And that's what Iblis said. He said, لَأَقْعُدَنَّ لَهُمْ صِرَاطَكَ الْمُسْتَقِيمِ. I shall sit awaiting for them on your straight path. In their salat, I'm going to wait for them. In the Quran, meaning when they recite, I'm going to wait for them. I'm going to whisper. I'm going to make them turn even their worship into a sin. Even their worship into a sin.